Introducing the Shychild Prokit. Empower your child to limit screen time and unlock hours of play, learning, and happiness. This comprehensive kit includes Betsy's Aimer Gamer. Learn to limit screen time through fun competition. 2. Giant Character Guess Sticker Mat. Engage with lovable characters and develop problem-solving skills. 3. Fat Power Read Book. Humorous stories teaching screen time balance, communication, and reading skills. 4. Laugh Laugh Bookmark. Read at your own pace and track progress. 5. Speed Read Audio Code, which improves reading speed and pronunciation. With the Shychild Prokit, your child will enjoy importance of friends, improved reading skills, enhanced communication, and hours of engaging fun. Get your Shychild Prokit today and start nurturing a balanced, happy child.